Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Setting up a new email account is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step. To begin, select your preferred email provider. Google's Gmail is a popular choice, as is Microsoft's Outlook, both offering robust features. Consider what suits your needs best, as they are largely similar in core functionality. Once you've chosen, navigating their website is your next move. After arriving at your chosen provider's homepage, locate the Create Account or Sign Up option. It's typically easy to spot. This button will redirect you to a new page where you can begin entering your information. Take a moment to ensure you're on the official website to avoid any phishing attempts. This initial click is your gateway to a brand new email address. On the registration form, fill in your basic personal details accurately, like your first and last name and your date of birth. Then, choose a unique username that you'll remember, which becomes part of your actual email address. Most importantly, create a very strong password, ideally 12 characters or more, combining letters, numbers, and special characters. This protects your account from unauthorized access. For enhanced security, most email providers will ask you to verify your identity, often through a phone number. You'll receive a quick text message containing a verification code. Simply type this code into the designated box on your screen. Before finalizing, always take a moment to read and understand the terms of service and privacy policy. Clicking Agree indicates your acceptance of their rules. Congratulations, your new email account is now fully set up and ready to use. You'll be automatically redirected to your inbox, which is your central hub for sending and receiving messages. Take a few moments to explore the layout and familiarize yourself with the features. A great first step is sending a quick test email to yourself or a trusted contact, just to confirm everything is operational.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.